I saw this yesterday. My friend Talia posted it, and I just have to try this out straight away. It's really similar to my usual hair wrap style. So we're gonna start off with in the middle, and then okay, we have two ends. But instead of bringing it up and tying it, I'm gonna bring it up and we're gonna just twist it. So just to make sure, let's try it out. How did she do it? I think I'm gonna take this one to the front, like that. Okay, see now it's twisted. And now I bring it and tuck it in. And it just looks slightly different than when it's tied up in a knot. And I'm really excited to try it out. So let's see how this looks. Okay. So this goes in here. Let's bring it a little forward. Okay. Let's make it a little tighter. All right, so let's see. It's a little uneven. Let's even this out. Okay, so this is now the twisted knot kind of thing instead of a tied. What do we think? I like it. I think it's cute. It's a little different. Let me know what you think. Yeah? I think it's cute. Let me know what you think. Are you gonna try this? Let me know, okay?